So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I make you a different type of video. So actually today I represent a different type of video. So actually today I unbox a acoustic panel. So if you don't have any idea that what a acoustic panel is, so before I unbox the video, before I unbox this product, I want to say some words on it. So actually friends, if you see a recording studio or any other some kind of industry related music auditorium or something, there you can see this type of panel. So what is acoustic panel? The need of acoustic panel to clear heavy noise wave frequencies and echoes from your sound from your room or houses. So actually friends, this is my room here. So I hope you are familiar with my room, because most of the time I represent my room in all of my videos. So actually this is my room, and actually my house is actually in the roadside. So okay, so now let's open this, and as you can see, so as you can see, this is the road, this is the cat, this is the dog. So as you can see, this is the road, and there are lots of motorcycle or bikes are. So actually I hope you have an idea that this is a heavy noise come from outside in my room. So that's why I sometimes I face difficulties to shoot video because of heavy noise and echoes. So that's why. And another thing, and the most horrible things in our area, the local political leaders are so much corrupted, and they do some kind of soil smuggling in the night. So that's why some kind of dumpers are passing on this road. So actually, yeah, I hope you idea that dumper or lorry create heavy sound. So that's why, so to from overcome this situation, I need to insert this kind of acoustic panel in my room. So that's why that's why I order it from Flipkart. So actually friends, I never I never think I should install this type of product. So actually whenever I first come into my house, in this my new house, I never think that this type of situation comes. So after day by day the situation is worse, and that's why I order it from Flipkart. So okay, so this is the info pack. This is the info pack now. So actually I forget the name. So as you can see, this is the info pack foam pyramid. So actually friends, I give some kind of blurry effect on it because I don't want to reveal my address. So okay, so info info pack. So actually Insopac foam pyramid oil acoustic panels. Okay, so no more actually I purchased this is a pack of 16. So I all give the how many inches the size of this product in the video description. Make sure that you check it. So and the price of this product is 2000. You can also purchase this from Amazon also. So I already give the Amazon purchase link in the video description. Make sure that you check it. Okay, so as you can see that, so now what I do is just cut the packet and just install. And I also give you a demo that how it looks like. So that means before installation or after installation, does it really cut out the heavy noise or echo. So actually friends, this is some kind of a little video. This is a little pack of pyramid. So because I need to install all of my room, but still I tested with this small small packet that if it is effective, then I order more. Okay, so no more talk, let's unpack this. So actually friends, it is difficult for me to hold the phone in one hand and do unbox. Okay, so now let's now let's cut the part. So friends, as you can see that after cutting of the packet, so actually this is very tough packaging of the product. So that's why I need to cut some of the part of the video where I come out this plastic. So now let's so okay, so now let's cut the packet. So okay, so as you can see that, so now let's unpack this. Look like, whoa. So hey friends, I previously don't see any acoustic panel. So So friends, as you can see that, wow, let's come out this. Whoa, this is the acoustic panel. So now, actually the packaging on the Flipkart is very good. So now just review this. Whoa, this is some kind of little kind of sponge. So this is a sponge here. So this is a little kind of sponge. So this is a sponge. Okay. So actually I give a deep. Okay, so as you can see that I don't know. So actually this, I think this is some kind of, but this is just small sponge only. So that's a, so actually I don't know it is a sponge or not, but this is extremely soft. Okay, so now I insert this onto my that wall and see that it any reduces sound or not. So okay, so actually, so let's record a sound, and after that, so okay, so friends, this is my room sound without installation of this foam on that wall. Okay, so now let's test the sound. I am an Indian. So this is my sound test on my room. I am an Indian. This is my sound test on my room. So okay, so now I okay, so now I again tell this two line. I am an Indian. This is my sound test after the installation of this foam on that wall. So first I think I should install that on this surface wall, but not on this roof wall. But actually this is difficult me to install that. Okay, so that's why I use some kind of Fevicol to insert this on that wall, and after that let's just see what happened. Okay, so actually friends, I use this Fevicol also, and most of the people recommend me on YouTube that I should use some kind of Fevicol SR 200, but actually I purchased this product from my local store, and as you can see that this is a Fevicol SH, and first I doubt that this kind of panels is properly work with Fevicol or not, but later I found on Reddit that this is extremely good to use as adhesive. So this is the panel I use to stick the wall using Fevicol. So okay, so now how I use, okay, so let's open the Fevicol. So actually friends, as you can see that this is the packaging of the Fevicol is very good, and as you can see I so actually this is a liquid Fevicol. So how I need to use this Fevicol actually, so just use any some kind of stick or any hand. So I don't recommend you to use any hands, because this kind of plastic adhesive, so if you are a children, make sure that you do under the supervision of your parents. So what you have to do is just take this kind of acoustic panel, or just insert this kind of using any stick, or just take any Fevicol and give this in this corner. Okay, so give this in the four corner, and after that you stick it. So okay, so now let's stick it into my wall. So just give into the four corners and in the some kind of middle. Okay, so friends, as you can see that I installed the first successful this acoustic plate. So as you can see that, so actually friends, I have some kind of low lights in my room, so this is difficult for me to show this. So as you can see, so first time it is very difficult to use this Fevicol and stick it into the wall, but after that I successfully, after inserting the Fevicol, you have to hold this on 1 to 2 minutes on the wall, and after that it is automatically stick into the wall. So okay, so now let's cover up the whole wall using this 18 panels. So actually friends, I order 18 panels because I want to first test that it is working or not, and after that I order from a roof or a whole room. Okay, so now let's, and friends, as you can see that after successfully installing the acoustic panel, and it looks like this kind of things. So I know this design is very poor, but actually I have to there are some shortage of this panel, because one packet has only 18 panels, so that's why it is difficult to cover the whole wall using this panel. So as you can see that, So and the quality is extremely awesome. So first I think that why the price of this product is very very high, because this is a simple sponge, and later after that I find that this type of curvature shape is one of the most rigid. Okay, and it can easily absorb the heavily frequencies and sounds and echoes. So that's why there are some kind of decent price of this product. So and this is extremely, so I use Fevicol. So previously I shown in this video that I use Fevicol and how to use Fevicol to stick it into the wall. So okay, so this is the thing that you have to. So as you can see that this is a very very soft. Okay, so as you can see that this is very 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 soft, and feel, and it is never never come out from wall, and because Fevicol is highly adhesive product. So as you can see that. So okay, so now so this is, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is the unboxing of this panel, and if you have any, and it has 10 days replacement policy, and if you did not satisfy with this product you can easily raise a return request. Okay, so okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. So okay, another thing is I already give the Amazon purchase link of this product. Make sure that you check it, and if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below, and I always here to help you. Okay, so another one last sentence I want to tell you. So maybe most people, if you find on Reddit or any other Quora or any other question and answer discussing website, mostly people is against of this panel, because they don't think so they think the wasting money. So the purchasing this kind of panel is some kind of wasting of money, because they did. Another thing is previously I want to tell you that it is not 100% sound blocker. So actually there is no thing that give a 100% efficiency. Even the Albert Einstein law has some kind of flaws. Okay, so in the universe no thing has 100% efficiency. So don't expect the full it's from the panel that it can block full sounds. Okay, so this is the thing. So it is down your sound up to 60%. So okay, another thing is you have to cover up, suppose this is my room, you have to cover up the whole wall. So another thing is you don't need to cover up the wall using the same company. You can also try different company panel. So okay, so I already give an Flipkart order on my I will already give a order on Flipkart to some kind of buy another panel. So okay, so next video I unbox another panel and stick into this wall. Okay, so now stay tuned for the video. Okay friends, so friends, this is one of the last part of the video where I want to do a sound test after installing the this foam, acoustic foam. So as you can see that, actually friends, sorry for my lighting quality, and actually to use the external torch I need some kind of Redmi phone. Wow, what a effect. So I don't need any After Effects anymore. So actually I use it as a, okay, oh, Harry Potter. Okay, okay. So now I want tell that same, exactly same lines which I already tell in previous part. So okay, so let's sound test. So as you can see that this is my wall, this is my wall, and where my acoustic panel is already installed. Okay, so the roof is empty. So now I again tell those same lines. So okay, so this is my room sound test. I am an Indian. This is my room sound test. I am an Indian. This is my room sound test. I am. So actually it looks like a Harry Potter. Okay, so I am Indian. This is my room test. This is the sound test of my room. I am an Indian. This is the sound test of my room. So friends, if you compare those two audios in the previous part of the video where I tell the same exactly lines after before installing this panel, and after, and this is the line after installing this panel. So okay, if you compare those lines, then there is a much reducedness of echo and heavy sound. Okay, and another thing is I want to give you another demo that how this kind of acoustic panel works exactly. So because previously I tell you that I need to shoot this video on night. Sorry for the poor light problem, because I have to shoot this video on night, otherwise I don't this test cannot be done, because in the daylight there is also some kind of personal problem. So that's why I need to shoot this video in the night. Okay, so I give you another example where as in that previous video I tell you that a heavy our local politician leaders are heavy much corrupted. That's why the soil smuggling is done here. So now the heavy dumpers are passing on the road, and I taste the sound in my balcony and see that the whole area is not covered. And what is the sound? And in the room, what is the sound? I compare with in the room sound with outside sound. So that's why how it can reduce the sound. Okay, so now jump into the one of the most last part. Okay, friends, this is my okay, friends. So now jump into the last part. Uh, so friends, as you can see that I give a live demonstration here. Wow, what a sound here, and as you can see that how much sound it creates. So as you can see that how much sound it creates. So actually our local political leaders are very much corrupted, and our chief minister did not do any steps for this kind of soil smuggling. So actually I am from West Bengal. So and as you can see that the soil smuggling is heavy, okay, in this area. So as you can see that another soil smuggling is coming here, soil smuggling truck. So as you can see that, so as you can see, so actually our road did not allow to use this kind of heavy truck, but the smuggler are very bad. So as you can see that, okay, so now I hope you enjoy the sound. So okay, so now taste the sound inside the room, and let's see that it is how much it reduces the sound. Okay, so so friends, as you can see that I am inside my room, and this is one of the dumper passing through my room. So wow, this is the 2-number dumper passing for my room, and this is the same place, and I did not use any kind of time travel or paradox. I am again holding the camera in the same place, and the dumpers are passing. And as you can see that there is a very low sound as compared to the balcony, as I saw in the previous. Okay, so I go to the balcony, and I want to say some kind of words on our chief minister that he did not help to some kind of stop this kind of soil smuggling. So and actually our West Bengal state position is very bad. Nobody wants to care that what people wants. So okay, so I already give the demonstration of the 2 dumpers. Then the 2 dumpers are passing from my house and the room, and I am inside my room, and and there is almost no sound. So and this is the effect of this kind of sound panel. So this kind of acoustic panel or sound panel is not only help to reduce echo from your house, it also cut the heavy noises from you. So this is, and as I say previously, this is a 2000 rupees the price, and each box has 18 panel. This is Insopack company, and I already give the Amazon purchase link in the video description. Make sure that you check it. Okay, and this is some kind of another black curtain. In some of my future videos I also unbox this type of curtain. Okay, oh, Harry Potter. Okay, so another dumper is coming. So actually friends, this all of my video is scripted, and the dumpers is not scripted. Okay, so now another dumper is coming. So let's do a sound test. As you can see, oh, actually almost no sound inside the room. So okay friends, I hope you enjoy the video, and the last 2 parts is very important, where I tested the video inside my room and outside room, and also show you the how much efficiency of this product. Okay, so friends, if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below. And this product has 10 days replacement policy. That means if you don't satisfy the product quality, then you can easily raise a return request. It's applicable for both Flipkart or Amazon also. So okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe among your friends. Another thing is, our West Bengal assembly election is coming here, and our chief minister, I think this kind of chief minister should not be tolerated. So okay, so I know more thing, otherwise YouTube give me some kind of another beautiful strike on my channel. Okay, so actually I should not cross my limit. So okay, so oh, another dumper is coming. as you can see, there is almost no sound. So I suggest you to, if your house is some kind of in roadside as me, as I saw in my video, and if you are situated, if your house is situated inside a train line, then you can also install this kind of panel to reduce the train sound also. Okay, so okay friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe among with your friends. So okay friends, goodbye. Harry Potter.